That's probably a cop sitting there. Oh, there's cops along here. There's cops there. Yeah. Yeah, and there's a cop there. Oh, you're gone, mate. Oh, shit. Thanks for your lights, buddy. A siren. You got him, though. But I slowed right down. Yep, got him. Oh, it's a hot pursuit. Oh, yep, they got him. Woohoo! Stolen car pursuit. Oh, okay.
Do you want to look, sweetheart? Oh, okay. Look.
No, just no.
It's okay.
Oh, Charlie Delta Golf 83 Delta. Idiot.
No shit. What have we got here? A fucking comedian.
Fucking wanker. Red light, two of them.
About Turnbull as a strategist, how do you rate him throughout this period?
Well, he's nothing. Stop! Stop! Back! Oh my god, what are these fucks doing? Fucking idiots. Two dickheads.
On the public holiday Monday, drivers faced massive delays on the Hume Highway near Marulan following a two-car collision. Vehicles collided before crashing.
What a
into trees.
dickhead.
Just after midday,
Some really impressive
traffic
driving.
was back for 21 kilometres at one stage. A woman was treated.
What the fuck do you think you're doing?
me dead, you stupid twat!
What a dickhead! What the fuck? What the fuck? What are you doing, bro? Fucking idiot.
Shitbag titty fuck of the week.
A4 City West Link.
I live to do it again. Because we were drunk, just like me too again.
Dickhead! What an idiot!
In 3.2.
You went into my lane, dickhead! It's your lane's going straight, idiot! Your lane's going straight, idiot! Your lane is going straight, mine's turning! Oh, you fucking idiot. It doesn't work. What a fucking idiot.
Oh, come on, mate, what are you doing? Work it out.
He doesn't fucking know himself.
Fucking hell.
They didn't make them models with blinkers.
That's for sure. You fucking idiot! You fucking idiot! Oh, good on you, coppers. You're in a bit of a hurry, aren't you? Oh, what a lane change that was, Mr. Policeman. Straight across the lane with no bloody indicators. You haven't got your lights going or your sirens. You're in a bloody hurry, but you aren't indicating anything. Oh, he hit it. He hit it. Wait. There you go, dickhead. Just had to do it, didn't you? When to fold up, know when to walk away, know when to run, you never count your money. While you're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough for counting. What are you doing, you stupid woman? You're just gonna fucking barge in right down the end, aren't you, Mr. BMW? Fucking hell. Look at that. Fucking BMW goes right to the fucking end and barges in because he's got to get in front of everybody else. Fuck off.